Hey traders, let's have a quick update on Gbpjpy. So on the weekly frame, what we've expected and what I told you guys to wait for on the market is for a good rejection of this trend that we have on the weekly time frame, and that's exactly what we got. Now, if you guys had followed the other trend, followed my another analysis, you guys would have had a 200 pip, or actually 220 pip drop on this pair, which was a very nice ride for us. Now, on the weekly time frame, what we are expecting from this pair, like I said in the last analysis, what we are expecting is the market to come and retest this strong area of support around this area over here. Now, once we can find the market to respect this area, then we will be looking for a different type of trade and probably a different type of area that we are going to move to in this trade. Now, why do I say that? Because what I want to see from this pair on the weekly time frame is I want to see this pair to basically move into this area around here. After it moves into this area, I will be looking for a nice buy opportunity for this pair. Why do I want to buy this pair? It's very simple. Let me quickly explain to you guys why I want to buy this pair. Because what we have on the weekly time frame is a simple impulse correction impulse. So once the market will break out from a resistance zone or reject the resistance zone, let's say if the resistance zone was rejected over here, then what we can expect basically is the market to come and retest its last previous support that was broken, which is around this area. If you guys take a box and you pull it all the way across, you'll be able to see what we are looking for is a retest of this area and then further continuation to the upside. So basically just completing a normal simple pattern in the market: impulse and then a correction, and then we're looking for the next impulse to the upside. So basically that's what we are looking for. Now, why do I choose this area? You guys can probably wondering why. You can have a look in the past. Very easy to see that the market very respected this area many times in this past year. We can see that the market respected it as support, also respected it as a resistance for a nice breakdown over there on the weekly time frame. And what we can expect if the market does reach to this area around here, we are looking for a nice push to the upside for a completion of the impulse correction impulse scenario. What I also want to just quickly lay out from you guys is that on the weekly time frame we have this beautiful nice W formation, which is now an overextended W formation, and an overextended W formation normally needs to make a deeper pullback before we can have another push to the upside. Now, what we are looking for on the daily time frame, let's go down on the daily and I will show you guys. Now, on the daily time frame, it's pretty clear that the market is now still moving down. We had a good trade. We have a 200 pip trade from my previous entry, which was above this wick over here. What we want to look for now in the market is we want to see a good strong rejection of this previous support and resistance area that is in the market over here. So if you guys look at this, what we have here is a very strong market. We have support around this area, we have support around this area, support again, and we also had resistance if you pull it across all the way to this side. Now, what we are looking for here, because we have broken to the downside, what we can expect the market to do is make a retest of this area and then further continuation to the downside. So what I mean by that, let me show you guys very easily. I will move this away for you that you can see nicely what's going on. Basically what we are looking for on this pair is very simple. We are waiting for the market to reach this correction phase to this previous support broken, now turn resistance. Then we will look on the 4-hour time frame to wait for a better entry on this pair to take this pair to my original target. Now, if you like this analysis, don't forget to leave me a like and a comment and let me know what you guys think about this, and hope you guys followed my previous trade. Thank you for watching and have a great week.